Hello everyone, in this video I will show you can I enable WPS on Xfinity router. Yes, you can enable WPS, that is it's called Wi-Fi protected setup on your Xfinity router. Here's how you can do it. Locate the WPS button, right, and you will find the WPS button is typically found on the top or back of your Xfinity router. It may be labeled as a WPS or have a symbol with two arms pointing at each other, right? You will easily able to find it. Access the admin panel, open a web browser and enter this number here, https double dot slash slash 10.0.0.1, right? And once you open it up, log in into your using a credential, right? The default is usually admin and username and password for the password, right? And enable WPS, navigate to the gateway connection Wi-Fi, look for the WPS setting and enable the WPS feature if it is not already enabled. Connect a device. To connect a WPS enabled device, press the WPS button on your router, then initiate the WPS connection on your device within 2 minutes. So this is how you can do it. It's really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.